Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the Bausch and Lomb Sensitive Eye Plus Saline Solution. Now, what this is used for is to rinse and to clean off your contact lenses. Yeah. Now, how you do it is after you clean your contact lenses, you use this to rinse them and make them like kind of sanitary, gets everything off of there, like any kind of dust or any kind of, stuff that could be on there. This is good for that. It's not used to disinfect. It's just used to get any kind of debris or any kind of maybe little fibers or something that may be on there. It's just basically saline, which is a kind of salty type of water. Yeah. So you see, it's just basically a liquid that comes out. You would use that to clean your contact lenses. Now, I kind of got away from wearing contact lenses for probably about 2 years, but went back to it maybe about 5 months ago because I just hate wearing glasses. I mean, dealing with contact lenses is a pain too, but at least they're not these big heavy things on your face. Yeah, but the Sensitive Eye Plus Saline Solution here works very well. It does the way, it really cleans the contact lenses very well. It gets everything off of there. I've used it for a long time. Bausch and Lomb has made products for specifically this for a long time, and it's a well-known and reputable brand that you can trust. So anytime I needed just about anything as far as dealing with my contact lenses, I've used Bausch and Lomb. They have produced this, and I've used this for a long time. Now, this bottle has lasted me for a very long time. I mean, this is the 12-ounce bottle, and it's about maybe, I would say, there is about a quarter left in there of a full bottle. Yeah, that will probably last me, just a few more months. But yeah, it does its job, and it's easy to use, and it gets them nice and clean. I like it a lot. I've actually turned my wife on to using this one. She was into a different brand that she swore by until she saw this one. I knew she was going to change over to Bausch and Lomb, this Eye Plus Saline Solution, because I had used the one she was using previous to this one, and I knew why this one was better, than the one she was using. The other one didn't get it clean good like this one does. This one really takes off everything. It seems like it's brand new after using this. Really gets it nice and clean, ready for your eyes. I like it a lot. Yeah, so she switched over, and I'm not surprised. And now she's been using this for quite a while now. The one she was using, we don't even have it anymore. We kind of just tossed it, but this is good. Yeah, this is a brand that's very reputable, and you can stand by it. I've used it for a while now, and I know several people that actually use this. They have no qualms about it. It works very well, cleans very well, does everything good that you need the saline solution to do for your contact lenses. It's really good. Yeah, and it's not very expensive. It's not super cheap as far as saline solutions go, but it's affordable, you know. I mean, it is what it is, but I mean, there's probably others that are more expensive, but you know, it is what it is. All right, well, we are talking about the Bausch and Lomb Sensitive Eye Plus Saline Solution. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.